Hey champs, welcome to the Class 10 Brain Buzz Challenge. Are you ready?
What is the chemical formula for table salt? A H2O, B CO2, C NaCl, D CH4. The answer is NaCl. Season with science. NaCl equals salt magic. Which organelle is the powerhouse of a cell? A. Nucleus, B. Chloroplast, C. Mitochondria, D. Ribosome. The answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria equals energy generator of life. What is square root 256? A. 14, B. 15, C. 16, D. 18. The answer is 16. Perfect square score. 16 times 16 is equal to 256. When did India become a republic? A. August 15, 1947. B. October 2nd, 1947. C. November 26, 1950. D. January 26, 1950. The answer is January 26, 1950. Republic Day equals Constitution Day celebration. Who wrote the Ball poem? A. John Berryman, B. Leslie Norris, C. Robert Frost, D. Walt Whitman. The answer is John Berryman. John Berryman rolled out the emotions. Which is not a planet in our solar system? A. Neptune, B. Earth, C. Pluto, D. Sirius. The answer is Sirius. Sirius is a star, not in our planet gang. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? A. Root, B. Flower, C. Leaf, D. Stem. The answer is leaves. Leaves are the plant's solar panels. Which gas is needed for photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen, D. Nitrogen. The answer is carbon dioxide. Plants breathe CO2 and gift us oxygen. Teamwork. Acid plus base equals A. Oxygen, B. Salt and water, C. Gas, D. Heat. The answer is salt and water. A perfect neutral match, salt and water wedding. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Copper, B. Lead, C. Mercury, D. Zinc. The answer is mercury. Mercury, the metal that moves. Which is the smallest prime number? A. 1, B. 2, C. 0, D. 3. The answer is 2. 2 is the only even prime, the VIP of math. What is the value of 2 raised to 3 by 3 raised to 2? A. 18, B. 36, C. 72, D. 54. The answer is 72. Exponents explode. 8 times 9 is equal to 72. What is the formula for the area of a triangle? A. 2 times B times H, B. Half times B times H, C. B times H, D. 2 times pi r. The answer is half times B times H. Half base height equals full triangle power. What is the cube root of 27? A. 3, B. 9, C. 6, D. 12. The answer is 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Cube unlocked. Which country inspired India's parliamentary system? A. USA, B. France, C. Russia, D. UK. The answer is the UK. That's right. India took inspiration from the UK system, but made it stronger, more inclusive, and truly our own. What is 15% of 200? A. 30, B. 25, C. 20, D. 35. The answer is 30. Percent problems equal smart savings. Which movement did Mahatma Gandhi start in 1942? A. Dandi March, B. Non-cooperation, C. Quit India, D. Swadeshi. The answer is the Quit India movement. Do or die, the Quit India movement was a huge success. Which state is called the Spice Garden of India? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Kerala. Kerala is the kitchen of fragrant flavors. And from the Diary of Anne Frank, where is in hiding? A. France, B. Germany, C. A secret annex, D. A library. The answer is a secret annex, a secret space with powerful words. Which app is known for short video content? A. WhatsApp, B. TikTok, C. Google Docs, D. Zomato. The answer is TikTok. TikTok was the king of short stardom until it was banned in India. Which instrument has black and white keys? A. Guitar, B. Flute, C. Piano, D. Drums. The answer is piano. Piano is the life in black and white harmony. What color is chlorophyll? A. Blue, B. Green, C. Red, D. Yellow. The answer is green. Chlorophyll is the green glow giver. What comes down but never goes up? A. Age, B. Water, C. Paper, D. Leaves. The answer is age. Your age always increases. We can't tell our age in reverse, but it can be nearly possible in the future. Which month has 28 days? A. November, B. All of them, C. June, D. April. The answer is all of them. Haha, gotcha. Every month has at least 28. What has keys but can't open doors? A. Map, B. Piano, C. Diary, D. Remote. The answer is a piano. Piano is music's locksmith without a keyhole. Which number is neither prime nor composite? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. The answer is 1. The lonely one, not fitting in any club. What is the SI unit of force? A. Pascal, B. Newton, C. Joule, D. Watt. The answer is Newton. Sir Isaac Newton approves this message. Which vitamin is produced in the human body with sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. The answer is vitamin D. Sunshine equals free vitamin D download. Which of these is not a renewable source of energy? A. Solar, B. Wind, C. Coal, D. Hydroelectric. The answer is coal. Coal burns out, but the sun and wind go on. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Diamond, D. Quartz. The answer is diamond. Diamonds, oh, they're so pretty and powerful.
And that's a wrap, geniuses. How many did you get right? No matter the score, you just leveled up your knowledge. Stay curious, keep learning, and most of all, enjoy the journey.